Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's check our day. We are the level. We are in a balance. Interesting time. Interesting time. Encounter trend balance here. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. Like volume of one bar will never stop the trend, but we are in a balance. So we are in a balance. Exactly. Flows of the previous day, and then strength coming, power. I should substitute strength with power because in conventional sense, strength pertains to long and weakness to short. So weakness is the strength, the power of the short trend. And I'm not sure I use pertain properly. Hey Siri, define pertain.
Pertain means be appropriate, related, or
Yeah.
applicable.
Wow, look at me. For changed, I use the word right. Yeah, volume T1, look at this. The volume T1, not the biggest, but you know, but big. Even if seen from here, doesn't matter. Yeah, everything was cool here, but without me. That's not a balance, but cool nonetheless. But cool nonetheless. Don't think this balance is any good, just because of how stretched it is and how far it is from 0.5. either. Consolidates in this long balance. There's like multiple issues. On daily, it's consolidating in 0.5, but the 0.5 doesn't matter anymore because we already broke the bar level. So this is really our zone of interest. And look how weak this break was. 10, barely. The problem here was the volume. It's just too big. It's last hour of the day though. We're below this volume now. That was like initiative takeover. So multiple issues with this. And now like too far above 0.5. First step thrust didn't work. Yeah. We would need 0.5 regardless. Yeah, that's wide. Well, we should look at it short because we already closed in correction on daily, unlike Russell. It's a balance and then a break and then confirmed. Yeah, so this is way below 0.5. It's again like spring that has too much volume probably. There is a chance it will push to resistance zone on daily. Yeah, it's boom. Yeah, it's good for counter trend. Was it cool? Yeah, the T1 was on volume though. But cool up thrust. And then it went down. And now we are in a balance. Um, it was a good, like 0.5 wise, it was good. This was not the biggest volume, but it doesn't matter. After we closed, it volumed. It's on volume though. Unvolumed up thrust, that's the problem. And still, since it was on volume, not good for hourly trade, but maybe something on 5 minutes. The break went higher. It's hard to call it a reversal. Technically, new T1 and then it renewed, but it went back like 90%. So was too far from 0.5 anyway. So we got an upthrust here, and the volumed one, and the volumed one. But since we have an upthrust, we are good up to 0.5. Great volume. And a break that didn't go. We call it violent T2 expansion. And then it did break and did reverse and confirm and all of that and formed a balance here. Yeah. Inform the balance. Oh, so ever since it formed the balance, too far above 0.5, but interesting. Maybe something on 0.5 here or so. Oh, look how deep, so makes no sense. Same deal. Volume top thrust, we're good up to 0.5. We changed direction, did a new transition extremum. We're sliding here for some time. Broke it again and went down. And went down. Technically balance. Yeah, I think it was a little far from 0.5, but that was not horrible. Like here, oh, it's gone. This is horrible. It's like no man land. And it broke the level, but never confirmed. And went up. Well, if you want to, you can call it a balance, I think. Yes, it broke down, but one bar rule, so never confirmed. But then it broke level here, and then it confirmed. So yeah. And there is no 0.5, nothing. So don't think there's any point to even watch it. Don't watch it. Yeah. This thing went up. IBM went up without me. Without me. There's one spring. I don't think it's a good place in month. Yeah, look at the months. It's not good for spring that needs a test and not a right place on daily anyways. Oh, and it's a break. That's a break on Oxy. Remember, I was questioning myself about Oxy, and see, that's why shouldn't have been charging like this. If I was monitor, it would be very tempting to take it here, but just not the case. Just not the case. Good job, Misha. On volume spring. I mean, it effectively changed the direction. It effectively changed direction. Yeah. There's no levels whatsoever. Taking it without the test, like here. Now in hindsight, of course, it looks dope, but in the moment, it didn't look that at all to me. So one barrel. If not for this level, the perforated level on daily, that would have looked interesting. And we're in correction. Beware. We are in correction. And this is unvolumed upthrust. This is unvolumed upthrust. It's okay for the volume. Nothing impressive, but at least, something. At least something. At least something. Baboosh. Well, no, we can keep this level. Or we can correct it. And then we are here. Yo. But yo. Oh. Well, where did that come from? Mishka finding his voice. Oh, sorry. That's a break. It's a break. Do I need this continuation of the trend? Because why? It's a weak correction. No, the answer is I don't. The answer is I don't. Look at this. Boom, it bounced with the volume. Bounced. Wait, what? And it's too close to supporting zone already for perforated levels, but let's see. And those are weekends too, so it's definitely weakness. It's definitely a weakness, except for this volume. Bam. Needs levels, but bam. I don't even know where's the previous T1 here. Dush. None of this held. Remember we had a similar stock today that did go up. Target it was it? And then a good example where perforated levels absolutely didn't work. Shut down. Go figure. Okay. Again, a little too close to support level and a little too far from 0.5 level. And I'll count it. Let them come to me. Remember Vacuum it was? A weird music band when I was growing up. When I was a teenager. Initiative takeover confirmed. Yeah. Too far from 0.5, but for short it's all right. Can be. Bro. Netflix just continues. It's ascent. It's ascent. Defies the gravity. Netflix just goes. It's in a break and it just, yes, it just goes. That, of course, being the sign of strength, I'd be like super careful about it because of the volume. So right here, not the biggest, but frightening enough. But yeah, technically it's good for a continuation of the trend. It's too far, too close to resistance zone F daily. That's boom. That's interesting. It's far above the 0.5. Monthly is not good. Monthly looks like it's about the reverse and then the correction. The rest is beautiful though. Volume is good. To break continuation of the trend. Yeah, I think it's something like this. That's what I think. Oh wait, it's too early for We're not an official correction yet. That's the thing. We are in continuation of the trend. It's a little too far from 0.5 for a long and an unvolumed spring anyway, so it's too far from 0.5. Okay, guys, it's enough for me for today. I'm gonna go. What are you gonna do with that, Misha? You're too far in the neutral zone. Volumes are great, but they can go. It can go. Practically, it's yeah, it's there. It's there. Yeah, I don't think it's workable. Okay. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people.